Weather pattern across North America right now really split into two parts, but it's mostly one. And that one part is this ridge of high pressure over the western part of North America. You'll notice the dark blue around and east of Hudson Bay. That's standard. Still cold enough for snow up in northern Quebec and Labrador. Meanwhile, temperatures are really increasing out here in the west. And as we go through the week ahead, it's going to get quite warm. In fact, I expect by sometime around the middle of the week, starting to see some 90s, maybe near 100 degrees in some parts of the prairie provinces, and that will actually expand back to the northwest. Southwest and the southern plains are getting pretty hot as well, and that's kind of just settling in for the summer. Many spots near 100 degrees. Northern plains generally is going to be fairly warm this week. Now, the ridge will buckle. Cool air coming from the Pacific, and that will actually enter into the northern plains briefly about the 1st of June, but I think that'll be a temporary setback because you'll notice the ridge is rebuilding. So as we look ahead to the summer, the early part of it anyway, we may start out June on a cool note in the northern plains, and I'm not sure how long that'll last, but I suspect warm weather will be back. Now, rain-wise, this week looking fairly dry with only spotty showers, thunder showers for northern plains. There will be pockets of rain around. By the end of the week, as we approach the Memorial Day weekend, I think there may be a better chance of getting some rain showers into the northern plains and maybe a couple of rounds as we head into next week. There's one about Memorial Day weekend and a second one about midweek. Good chances of rain, but note that ridge building up again in the west, likely to return to some drier weather in early June. So overall, the end of May looking warmer than average. There will be several rain chances. Have to get lucky and get caught up because overall, as we enter summer, will probably be mostly drier than we'd like in the northern plains.